Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with class 8 again with exercise 2.2 and one of the important question, that is question number 15. So let us do with me. You will enjoy doing this question. Let's start. Question number 15. I have total of rupees 300, right? I am having what? 300 rupees in coins of denomination. Coins में है मेरे पास पैसे in denomination ₹1, ₹2 and ₹5. Coins कितने कितने के हैं? 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. Now the number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times number of 2 rupee coin. Whatever I am coin of 2 rupees, okay, whatever coins of 2 rupees I am having, that is 3 times the coins of 5 rupees, right? The total number of coins they have given, total number of coins they have given, that is 160, right? That is 160. Now how many coins of each denomination are with me? मेरे पास total 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee वाले कितने coin है? Let's see how to solve this. Firstly, what we'll take? Number of coins, okay? Number of coins of denomination. Denomination ₹1, okay, that is equal to how much? Ratio they have not given, no? Ratio they have not given, so we don't know this one, okay? 2 rupee coin and ₹5. They have given some clue to us. The number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coin. तो 5 rupee coin जितने हैं मेरे पास, let it be x. 5 rupee coin कितने हैं? x है. तो 2 rupee coin कितने होंगे? That will be 3 times. Number of 2 rupee coin will be 3 times the number of 5 rupee coin. Okay. One more thing in the this we don't know. How you will find out this? See, what is the total? One more thing they have given, that you have to write in the top. That is the total number of coins I have. Coins is equal to is 160 that they have given to us. Total coin I am having is 160, right? तो 1 rupee वाले coin कितने होंगे? Say 5 rupee वाले 5x है, 2 rupee वाले 3x है, तो 1 rupee वाले कितने होंगे? That is 160 total है. टोटल में से माइनस अगर कर देते हैं हम 2 और 5 रुपए वाले जितने भी हैं, देन विल गेट, सी, अगर हमने इसमें से 2 रुपए वाले हमारे पास 3x है प्लस x हमारे पास 5 रुपए वाले हैं, तो हमें पता चल जाएगा हमारे पास 1 रुपए वाले कॉइन कितने हैं, राइट? 160 माइनस these many is equal to what? 1 rupee coin I am having. Now see, what other thing they have given to us? Yes, total amount they have given to us. So total amount with me, है ना? With me is equal to what? How much? Rupees 300, right? Amount of ₹1 that I have is how much? 1 rupee वाले कितने होंगे मेरे पास? Number of coins. That how you will find out? You can write it in this way. Number of coins into denomination. Right children? Denomination. Now see, number of coins is 160 minus 3x plus this is, you can do it, simplify it here only. You'll get what? 4x. Okay, so this is what? 4x. ये number of coins हो गए. Denomination कितना है? 1 rupee coin है, तो 1 denomination हो गया. That is equal to same, that is 160 minus 4x. Right? Now see the next one. Amount of ₹2 rupees वाला मेरे पास total कितना amount है? Let's see. That is what? 3x है. तो 3x में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2 रुपीज को, दैट इज इक्वल टू टोटल, दिस इज इन रुपीज, ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ 2 3s are 6, So 6x rupees I am having. How much? 6x rupees. Now amount of rupee 5, that is equal to how much? See, this is x. So number of coins x hai and denomination is 5. So this is what? 5x. Total amount of 5 rupees I am having what? 5x. Okay. Now according to the question, total amount I am having is 300. That means this plus this plus this I am having what? 300. So this is what? 160 minus 4x, right? Plus what? 6x plus what? 5x. This is the amount I am having. Okay. 1 rupee wale, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. This is what total amount I am having what? 300. मतलब इन तीनों को ऐड करके मुझे क्या मिलना चाहिए? That is rupees 300. Now see, 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x, that is equal to rupees 300. Right? Now see, 160. I'm doing it here. 160 minus. Now see this one. This is minus and these two are plus. So 6 plus 5 is what? 11. 11 and plus 11 and minus 4. Plus 11 minus 4 is 11 minus 4 is what? 7. So this is minus 7x. Right? Now this is equal to, or you can you can do like this also. 11x, that is equal to 300. Then 160 minus, this one say minus plus minus करेंगे, that is 7x, that is equal to 300. Okay, now minus this one, no, not minus sign will not come. No, minus plus is minus करेंगे, minus sign तो plus का आएगा. Why? Because bigger number is having plus. So what will get? 7x is equal to what? 300. यहाँ देखो, this is plus. When it will go that side, that this will become minus. This is equal to 0, 4 and 1. Right? Now 7x is equal to this. So x is equal to what? 140 divided by 7. That is 7 2s are 14 and 0. Right? So what is the value of x? X is equal to what? 20. Right, children? Now what they have asked? How many coins? Now they are asking only this one. Okay. So what will get? See, 1 rupee वाले total उसके पास कितने coins होंगे? We got the value of x. So put the value of x in this. So what you'll get? Let us write in this way. 160. This was 160 na, minus 4x. So this is equal to 160 minus 4 into 20. Right? What you'll get? 160 minus 80. 160 minus 80. That is equal to what? 80. Right? Now 3x है. 3x है तो 3 into क्या करेंगे? 20. That is equal to what? 60. And what? X. X is what? X तो हमें मिल ही गया 20. So I am having 1 rupee coin, 80 coins I am having, right? And 2 rupees, that I am having 60 coins of 2 rupees. And I am having 20 coins of rupees 5. So I think this question is clear to you. सबसे पहले देखेंगे दिया क्या क्या है and what you have to find out. Here we got the equation here. So after this तो you can do. But this is very important part of the question. तो आप इसको 3 से 4 बार इस वीडियो को देखिए. You will definitely understood this. Okay. So children, subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel. Be with me in my upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.